Namaste everybody. Thank you for joining this channel and trying out different guidances of traditional yogic practices. I see that there is a lot of interest for traditional yoga nidra practice, the yogic sleep. So I want to invite you to our next meeting. Our next meeting will take place on the 12th of July at 9 a.m. CET. We will meet live, but when you register and you can't make it live, you will also receive a replay link. So you can watch the video and the guidance later at your convenience. So next time we will focus on stored information in the body and how this information interacts with our genes and manifest. This is very important to understand our belief systems, but also forgotten and suppressed memories, even trauma. These things can cause disturbances in body and mind. It can cause a lot of tension in our muscles. And there are very effective ways to release tension and problems on a deeper level, to delete information from where it is stored. We will use yogic breathing, conscious stretching, Hatha style, and also a small introduction, a short guidance of Yoga Nidra. This time we will focus on the upper part of our body where most people carry tension. So if you have a stiff neck or painful shoulders, then please come and take 2 hours of your time to invest in your own well-being. Thank you very much. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you all live. Have a great day. Bye-bye.